Hi, this is Lipiao here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Hail to the Lord's Anointed. It's a relatively easy hymn to learn, so I encourage you to learn this. And again, the chords that you need are just the four standard chords. It's going to be the key of C, so it's going to be just C chord, F chord, G chord, and just A minor. Okay, and it's going to be in double or quadruple time, so it's going to be just two strums per chord symbol that you see in the song sheet. And let's play through the first verse slowly once. Okay, here we go. Hail to the Lord's anointed, great David's greater Son. Hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. He comes to break oppression, to set the captive free, to take away transgression and rule in equity. Okay, grab your song sheets and we'll play through all four verses once through. And we're going to be using this drum pattern, down, down, up, down. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Hail to the Lord's anointed, great David's greater Son. Hail in the time appointed, his reign on earth begun. He comes to break oppression, to set the captive free, to take away transgression and rule in equity. He comes with succor speedy to those who suffer wrong, to help the poor and needy, and bid the weak be strong, to give them songs for sighing, their darkness turn to light, whose souls condemn and dying are precious in his sight. He shall come down like showers upon the fruitful earth, love, joy, and hope like flowers spring in his path to birth. Before him on the mountains shall peace the herald go, and righteousness in fountains from hill to valley flow. To him shall prayer unceasing and daily vows ascend, his kingdom still increasing, a kingdom without end. The tide of time shall never his covenant remove, his name shall stand forever, that name to us is love. So that was Hail to the Lord's Anointed. I hope you enjoyed this hymn as much as I did. So happy learning and playing.